Okay, so the build has finished and we can see that our spheres for sampling have increased by a lot. These were increased by these settings in the word settings. But we still have these shadow artifacts, and the contact shadows are also not very detailed. Let's improve the shadows now. These are fine. Let's open the mesh editor and search for distance field resolution scale. Increase the resolution and hit on apply. The details have improved somewhat, but we need to increase the resolution more. Let's increase it to 4 and hit on apply. The shadow is much better now. The shadow artifacts are also gone. We can stay at 4 or increase the resolution. Let's change it to 8 for now. There is a slight improvement. Now we are good to place it anywhere in the scene and it will blend in nicely. Let's increase the resolution of the other chair as well. Okay, it's done and our chair is looking nice. Let's hit play and check our chair widget now. It's not working because we forgot to add the level variant set inside our scene. See, we only have the sofa level variant set added here. Let's see if it works now. And there you have it. So we now know how to swap meshes as well as materials. In the next class, we will learn how to open and close the doors. See you there.